Hey students, welcome to Unit 9. We are going to be starting on Phase 3, Designing Identity. Some of the things that you'll be reviewing are distinguishing between logo types and signature, establishing a look and feel, recognizing significance of color, typography, sound, and animation. As you can see, I have the Google animation from their homepage, and also recognizing the practices in trial applications of presentation for a brand. And within that unit, there are several things you'll be expected to do and to review within your textbook, edition 5, page 144 through 166. It's really going to be naming through creating touch points. However, those pages vary. This is based on the latest edition, edition 5. We're going to be reviewing some of these little links that I've given you that are really valuable, and then download a week 9 study guide. That's going to be for an upcoming quiz from next unit. So download the study guide just to review. The quiz is still an open book quiz and it's not timed, but still having the study guide helps you prepare a little bit better. So again, read pages 144 through 166 in your textbook, Designing Identity, Phase 3 presentation. There is an exercise, subjectivity. You want to review and propose the top 3 impactful identities, complete the Unit 9 forum, and then upload the same information to the submission link for credit. You can get more information right within the instructions. You can continue to read that for yourselves. And then, again, this is a study guide. This is where you would submit your top 3 impactful identities, and then also the forum, and respond to each other with some thoughtful feedback for this unit. Have a productive week, and I will see you in the next virtual video.